Being new week traders is another week of being patient, disciplined, and being fearless in the market. And then I want us to analyze gold together. This analysis is coming a little late because I wanted to see something before. I've not looked at gold yet. I was trading BTC this weekend and we got buy from this zone. We'll look at that later. So gold, this is a weekly time frame. This is my weekly time frame. And then let's put this week into perspective. So let's mark our support. So this is a support our weekly candle has created. And then as for the resistance, we don't have any history as of now because this is a new price gold has created. So we'll just leave the resistance and this is our support here. Let's go to daily. So on a daily time frame, this area we've marked here is our period support, and then we have a resistance for our daily candle. So let's just mark this area as a resistance. That's a new high gold created. So this is our previous high, which is our resistance. And gold is bullish. We've already stated that fact. Gold is bullish. So let's go down to 4 hour. So on our 4 hour time frame, we see this support here that served as an area where price came to and the price pushed to the upside. And then we have so price created a new high here, tapped into this support level and then pushed higher. And then so we have a new high created, which means a break of structure here, break of structure here. So there are a lot of points of interest one may decide to trade from if they were looking for a buy. Okay, so this is one point of interest because this is the order block that caused this break of structure and gave us a new high and then ran our prices around this area. So one may either want price to come to this zone, then they buy, or price coming to this area again, and then you buy. So for now, we need to have price come to a very comfortable position where your risk to reward will make sense before you decide to jump on this trade. So we'll keep monitoring. So let's go down to 1 hour. So on a 1 hour time frame, we see another support here. Now, if price breaks this resistance and then goes a bit further, then we may be looking at considering this support as a level for entry for continuation. Okay, but then if price decides to reverse from this resistance, then we can be looking at these areas over here. So we'll just keep monitoring and then I will update I have a community where I share track my analysis and then I also post signals for people to also make money. So if you want to be part of that community, you can look at my description. I have my number there. And you can just hit me up. All right, so let's look at BTC. So for BTC, I marked this area here which was a break of structure. And then this is our daily time frame. Okay, so BTC, we had this break of structure here, and then price traded back into this order block here. So this is our daily time frame. Okay, so I'm expecting BTC to be bullish. I'm expecting a bullish momentum for BTC. So let's mark our previous and then current day support and resistance on our daily candle. Okay, so this is what we have here. Now let me take this off. Now let's go down to for on our 4 hour time frame. We see the reactions here. We see price came to the order block, then we see an inducement, and then price comes to tap back on this support level, and then we see price doing this. So let's see whether we can identify. Okay, so right now this area here, price hasn't created a new high here. So and then this is a resistance. So maybe price can um, reverse from here to continue our buy momentum. But because this is a resistance, you need to be careful. You need to wait to see. You need to go down to 15 minutes when price touches this area. Go down to 15 minutes. You look for an inducement, you look for a pullback, and then you buy from here. So this is all for now. We'll keep monitoring, and then like I said, I'll be dropping updates on trade signals in my community. So if you want to be part of that community, you can just look in the description, you add that number and be part of the community. Until we meet again, Ajinkwano. Abba.